Hey y'all, it's your girl Skye Alyce J, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be an Avatar inspired makeup Halloween tutorial. Y'all, I absolutely love the movie Avatar. I've been so obsessed with them for as long as I remember because I just felt like, like we vibe, we're both giant Amazon looking people. So, I feel like, we are related somewhat. But anyway, let's get into this video. All right, first things first. So I got this cheap behind face paint from Walmart because it was last minute and I didn't know where else to get it from. So I'm just going to be using these two colors basically for the base color. So I'm just applying that all over my face. Now, like I said, this paint was cheap as I don't know what, y'all. Y'all see how it just flopped out of the case earlier. So I literally had to put like 10 freaking coats of this crap on my face. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put the blue on my face until it's fully covered to a nice consistency and evenness. So I forgot to tell y'all that this face paint is water activated. I wouldn't recommend it though because you can see like in certain spots when I go over it, it does wipe it off. So I really don't recommend this paint because it's like very low quality, but it did get the job done, you feel me? So I'm not gonna complain too much. But yeah, basically I'm just still applying here, making sure that it looks as even as it's going to look, because eventually I was just like, you know what, it's no more even that this is gonna look. So yeah. Now I'm just going in and putting the paint on my neck. At first I was gonna bring it all the way down to my chest because I was gonna get like real goofy, y'all, real sexy on y'all, you know what I'm saying, be the sexiest avatar you ever seen. But I ran out of blue paint, so, and y'all see how trash this paint is. So yeah, I just did it just to do it. But yeah, I'm just applying it on my neck. So I went ahead and I mixed in the white and the blue to make this a light blue color. So I'm just putting that. Eventually I really ended up putting it all over my face, but right now I'm just putting it at the places where I would highlight if I had like a regular beat situation going on. I'm just putting it in those places, and I'm just gonna blend it into the dark blue to kind of give it that nice light blue color we're going for. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with some translucent powder. And I'm just putting that kind of in certain spots of my face to kind of lighten it up a little bit, because I feel like the whole avatar is like a light blue skin and not really like a dark blue skin. So now I'm just going in with some blue eyeshadow, and I'm just doing like the little lines, because when I was looking at the picture, I saw that there was like little lines on their face. So I'm just going in, putting on my little tribal marks, I guess you would say. But I'm using some blue eyeshadow to do that. And disregard how messy it looks, because I'm going to go in, I'm going to clean it up once it's all said and done. Now I'm just going to go in and contour the sides of my nose. And then right here, I'm just putting a light blue color on top of my nose to kind of just give it some definition. I didn't do too much with the eyeshadow. I just went in with that dark blue color I used around my face and did kind of like something slight or whatever, just to say I did something to my eyes. Now I'm taking that same shimmery blue color and I'm just putting it all over my lid, blending it into that dark blue color. So to clean up my little tribal marks or whatever, I'm going to go in with some white eyeshadow and just kind of like clean up the edges, kind of refine the lines a little bit. So I just wanted to define my brows a little bit here and kind of just make them more shapely, because they kind of look unruly because I need to get them done. So I'm just going over it with a regular dark brown eyebrow pencil. So I'm just gonna kind of clean them up slightly with this little concoction I mixed together. So it's basically white liquid eyeliner mixed with that same blue pigment that I put over my eyes. I just cleaned it up a little bit with that. Doing this tutorial really made me realize that I need to invest like in some more like colored makeup, because I really don't have much to work with. But yeah, so I'm just blending in that color underneath my brow. And now I'm just going all over my face with that same shimmer, because I just really wanted my face to pop. And at the end, you can see how this like really made a difference in how my face looked. So I'm just applying that like all over, like, you know, where you normally would highlight and stuff at. Just make it look poppin' and make it look real cute, you know. So now I'm just taking some hot pink matte lipstick and I'm just using a small defined angle brush to just paint my little avatar nosy. I'm going to use the same color on my lips, and then I'm just going to line it with the blue eyeshadow. Another thing about this look, it really goes to show that makeup really has no rules. You can do whatever you want with it, pretty much. I basically have a face full of eyeshadow, so yeah, you guys. So the look is pretty much done, y'all. I'm just going in with that same white liquid eyeliner, and I'm just putting some little freckles on my face like the avatars have. Y'all, now I'm going in and I'm going to apply some lashes. I don't know how long these lashes are, but they long as hell. Like, I got hella packs of them. I never use them on anyone. I never wear them because they just long as hell. Like, I just don't know. They literally are like wings. And if you know me, you know I love lashes. And for me to say some lashes is long, them things must be long. So at this point, I am feeling myself. You feel me? You know, it was the little freckles for me, you know, that really set it off. So now I'm going in. I'm just going to do my hair. I'm just going to do 2 little braids in the front. Nothing major, y'all. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. So yes, you guys, we made it. This is the final look. I'm serving Avatar realness, and actually I'm feeling very cute. If I was the real Avatar, I would be popping. Okay, period poo. So yes, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck is you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel right now. I'll give you some time. Okay, thank you. And yes, I will catch you guys in my next video. And again, it's your girl Skye Alyce J, and I love all of y'all. See y'all next time. Bye.